Hi, I'm Subramanyam from Durga Software Solutions, Hyderabad. Today we are going to learn one very beautiful structure which is going to help us to speak our willingness to do something in future even at present. For example, you would like to do something in future, even tomorrow, even after this classroom. For example, you would like to take a coffee, you would like to take breakfast. So how do you say that? So we have a very beautiful structure which is going to help us to express with that structure. Let us see that. I would like to weave in structure. This is one of the most successful structures of 30 structures. Whatever we are discussing for the last couple of days, that out of 30 structures, this structure is really so simple and easy for usage. How simple it is, we will experience once we start using this structure. Let us see how where it is used and how it is used. To express willingness to do something at present and in future. To express something, you would like to do something. For example, you after completion of this class, or even at present also, it is not only the future, even at present, if you would like to do something, you can say I would like to take water. I would like to take a glass of water now. So I would like to speak to you something after this classroom. I would like to meet you in the evening. Your likeness, your interest, your plan of future, you can express through this. I would like to be one. This is how simple it is. You will celebrate with this structure like anything, because this is very easiest one to express, to use, to apply in our day-to-day life. Let us see willingness to do something at present and in future. This structure is for all subjects. We use the same structure. That is again one more beauty of this structure. See, subject plus would like to plus B1. Time frame is optional. If you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, it is not recommended. If you want to specify the time frame, like in the evening, in the morning, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, even after this classroom, now, all these things. Subject plus negative sentence, wouldn't or would not. Would not plus 2 plus B1 plus other words plus time frame. As I said, the beauty of this structure is we can use all subjects. All subjects means he, she, it, you, we, they. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. We can use all the subjects here. So let us see some examples. I would like to go abroad next week. I would like to meet my friend in the evening today. Similarly, she would like to get a job in software industries. They would like to talk to me after this class. He would like to join this course in 2 days or after 2 days. Similarly, it would like to become cold. So I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all these subjects we use in this structure, and easy to speak, easy to pronounce, easy to apply also. That is the beauty of this structure. Now, negative sentences, how we say negative sentences, how we express. I wouldn't like to. You can use would not like to or wouldn't like to. I wouldn't like to take coffee now. That means you would like to take something and you wouldn't like to take coffee now. So he wouldn't like to join this course. He wouldn't like to join this course. Similarly, she wouldn't like to prepare breakfast today. That means she would like to get from outside. They wouldn't like to apply for government jobs because they love private jobs. Did you understand this one? So negative sentences also we can speak with this structure easily. He wouldn't like to meet me. She wouldn't like to apply for government jobs. They wouldn't like to practice lot. I wouldn't like to prepare very well. I wouldn't like to do hard work. This kind of things. And she wouldn't like to meet me, and they wouldn't like to fall in love. All these negative sentences also we can speak. That means you don't like to do those things. You are not willing to do those things. That is the meaning of that. I would like to stand for your interest. Your interest to do something at present. That means rather saying that I am interested to participate in these activities, you can say I would like to participate in these activities. It sounds so nice, it sounds so great, and it speaks some your professionalism in your communication, conversational skills. So rather saying that I am interested to talk to you, you can say I would like to talk to you for some time. I would like to speak to you for some time, like that. So this is how we need to express through this I would like to be one structure. And one more situation where we use this I would like to, when you are on the public, when you are in a public speaking, when you are in on the stage, you can invite the people by saying that I would like to call you Mr. Razu. I would like to invite the honorable chief guest. So when you are inviting someone, when you are cordially inviting onto the days the chief guest, the honorable delegates onto the days, then we can invite like, yes, I would like to invite the honorable chief guest in this function. Are you clear with this one? So it's so easy. It's as simple as that. So I would like to is widely used for various purposes. Number one is to express your interest to do something, and second one is in formal occasions when you are inviting someone onto the days, when you are joining the people, when you are cordially inviting for any purposes, we use this I would like to be one. Now how do we use the time frames? The time frames we can use at present. See this, the time frames we can use not only at present, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, even today, this evening, this afternoon, after some time, like that. We can use time frame only present and future, but we don't use past one, because this is willingness to do something at present and in future, but not in the past. So we don't use past time frames here. Right? I would like to go abroad next week. I would like to meet my friend in the evening today. I would like to watch a movie 21, latest release movie on Sunday, coming Sunday, like that. So I would like to V1 is used only at present and in future. Now how do we frame questions in this? How do we frame questions? Simply by interchanging these two words, would and subject. Let us write those structure also for your understanding. Framing the question in this structure is also very easy like other structures, because most of the times we ask the people, when people come for an invitation, we ask them, would you like to take coffee, sir? When we invite guests to our house, when we invite any special occasion, we ask the people, would you like to participate? Would you like to talk to the people? Would you like to take coffee now? Would you like to take water? Like that. So let us see how the questions are formed. Question structure is would plus subject plus like to plus V1 plus other words plus time frame. Time frame is optional, as I said. The answer would be the answer structure is like this. Yes, I would like to. Positive answer should be very simple and easy, short and simple, and second, negative answer will be very lengthy and stretchy. No, I wouldn't like to. I wouldn't like to plus V1 plus other words plus time frame. This is negative answer. So if the question is all, as I said, all subjects we use, right? When we are using all subjects, I, he, she, it, you, we, they. Would you like to like to take idli for breakfast today? Yes, I would like to take. No, I wouldn't like to take idli for breakfast today. Would you like to see? Would you like to go abroad next week? Yes, I would like to. No, I wouldn't like to go abroad next week. Similarly, we can ask with other subjects also. Would he like to? Would he like? Would I? Generally, I don't ask my own interest. I ask definitely in my mind, but not with other people. Would I ask with other people? No. So I would like to, yes, now I would like to take the class. I would like to go abroad. I would like to take coffee. I would like to take breakfast after this classroom, after this session. So that is how I speak to myself, but I don't ask other people about my interests. So here only I'll ask other people. Would you like? So would she like to call you after this class? Yes, she would like to. No, she wouldn't like to call me after this class. So would they like to join this course tomorrow? Yes, they would like to. No, they wouldn't like to join this class. So this is how we ask the people about their interest at present, even in future also. Would we like to go to movie on Sunday? Yes, we would like to. No, we wouldn't like to go to movie on Sunday. So time frame is, if we use time frame, it would be more effective. If we use time frame, it would be more effective. Otherwise, if we ask like this, would we like to? Would you like to go to movie? When? Again, the question comes, the question arises. So rather giving the chance to other people to doubt, better you ask directly by using the time frame. Would you like to meet me after some time? Would you like to call me in the evening? Otherwise, I would like to call you in the evening, like that. So now, This is the way we ask questions. So, but how do we ask even information questions? How do we frame another type of information questions? Just by adding WH and how questions. If we add WH and how question words before these without changing the structure, we will get another type of questions like information questions. How? What would you like to do next month? What would you like to do tomorrow? Tomorrow is a holiday for office. Then what would you like to do? So where would you like to go next Sunday? Where would you like to go? What would you like to see? Whom would you like to meet? Where would you like to meet me next Sunday? Like that. How would you like to achieve your goal? How would you like to achieve your targets, goals, dreams, like that? So how would you like to come tomorrow? When would you like to take the class tomorrow? When would you like to take the class tomorrow? So this is how, just by adding WH and how question words before that, we would get other type of information questions. But there we don't give the answer yes or no. We give only directly information. That is the reason why they are called information question words. Are you clear with this one? So now by practicing with 100 verbs, by preparing and practicing with 100 verbs, you would become more comfortable using this structure lifetime. One practice, lifetime achievement. How simple it is? The technique is very easy, right? If you practice with 100 verbs with the same structure, lifetime free. Lifetime free. You can use wherever you want, whenever you want. You would get good appreciation from the other people. You would celebrate success. So with this, I would like to wind up this topic. All the very best. Good luck to you. Thank you.